Welcome students to the online teaching learning process of RPM Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lailpur, Class 10th Chemistry, Chapter 5, Periodic Classification of Elements, topic Mendeleev's Periodic Classification. Today we are going to discuss Mendeleev's periodic classification, and the main objective to discuss are: number 1, describe how Mendeleev arranged the elements in his table. Second, explain how the predictions Mendeleev made and the discovery of new elements demonstrate the usefulness of his periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. In year 1869, Russian Mendeleev studied the chemical properties of all 63 elements and tried to arrange these elements in the form of a table. He is known as father of periodic table. As per his table, he arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses and similarity in their chemical properties. According to the Mendeleev's law, the properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. In his table, he arranged all the 63 elements as increasing order of their atomic masses in horizontal row called periods, in such a way that the elements having similar chemical properties came under the same vertical column called groups. So we can say there are approximately 8 groups and 6 periods. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 periods and 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The group 1 to 7 were considered of normal elements, and the 8th group consists of transition element. Noble gases were not known at that time. They were discovered later as they are very highly inert gases, which is present in very low concentration in the atmosphere. Also, Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. The gaps were left for the undiscovered elements. Mendeleev named them by using the Sanskrit numeral Eka, meaning 1, as a prefix for the name of preceding element in the same group. For example, the property of scandium, gallium and germanium. The properties of scandium, gallium and germanium, which were not discovered at that time, were found to be similar to Eka aluminum, Eka silicon respectively. The missing elements were discovered later and their properties were found to be quite similar those predicted by the Mendeleevs. Now let us summarize the characteristics of Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 1, horizontal rows were called period. It has 6 periods. Vertical rows are called group. It has 8 groups. The group 1 to 7 had 2 subgroups called A subgroup and B subgroup. Group 8 had 3 rows of elements. Elements having similar property were placed in the same group. There are some spaces left vacant in the table to accommodate the element to be discovered in future. Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's react all 63 elements with hydrogen and oxygen. When elements react with hydrogen, they will form a compound 1 which is known as hydride, and the element when react with oxygen, they will form compound 2 that is oxide. So in his periodic table, he mentioned A and B group for oxide compound as well as hydride compound. So in the group 1, when they have the valence electron 1, like hydrogen, helium, sodium, potassium. They all having a valence electron 1. When react with hydrogen, they form hydride. When react with oxygen, they form oxide. So the general formula for the group 1 is R2O and RH. Here R is considered to be any element of this group 1. It may be of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Similarly, in group 2, they have the valence electron 2. So when the element react with an oxygen, they form RO, means oxide, like magnesium oxide, calcium oxide. And when they react with hydrogen, the general formula is RH2, they form magnesium hydride, MgH2, calcium hydride, CaH2. Similar way in group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 1, elements were classified on a more fundamental basis of atomic masses and their chemical properties. Second, left vacant space to accommodate the elements to be discovered in the future. Third, it could predict the properties of the element which helped in the discovery of new element. Fourth, the inert gas element discovered later could be placed in a separate group without disturbing the table. But there are few defects in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 1, some elements are not arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass. Like cobalt is placed before nickel. The atomic mass of cobalt is 58.9, whereas atomic mass of nickel is 58.7. So he placed cobalt in before then the nickel. That is the drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. Second, he could not explain the exact position of hydrogen because hydrogen shows properties similar to the metal as well as non-metal. Third, the position of the isotopes of the element is not clear at all. Fourth, there was no continuous increase in the atomic masses in moving from one element to another. Thank you everyone. I hope you are able to understand today's topic, Mendeleev's periodic table. In the next class, we are going to continue with modern periodic law.